The CANEST Smart Toilet TC-100GE combines a sleek one-piece design with an integrated bidet and intuitive controls that make everyday use feel noticeably more refined and convenient. Its pump-assisted tankless flushing system delivers a strong, consistent flush even in homes with weaker water pressure, while still using water efficiently. The heated seat, instant warm water wash, and warm air dryer turn cold morning trips to the bathroom into a much more comfortable and spa-like routine. Multiple cleansing modes with a self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle let you fine-tune water pressure, temperature, and spray position for both hygiene and personal comfort. Helpful touches like the soft night light, clear digital display, and options for foot sensor, automatic, knob, or remote flushing make the toilet easy to use for different family members and guests. Safety certifications and the manufacturer's warranty support, along with ongoing improvements to build quality, give added confidence that this smart toilet is built to last.